how to use live caption on any video. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, I will simply go to settings, but in some devices, if you guys scroll like that, here you guys can simply slide on right. Now here you guys can see multi-connection and other things, but I will simply scroll again on right. But before that, you guys can see live caption. So in some devices, you guys can see live caption here. You simply click on that, and once you click on that, it will be turned on. After that, if you play any video, it will translate or it will caption show on screen. The other method was you guys can simply click on settings. Here you guys can search for live caption. Once you search for live caption, here you guys can see live caption or additional setting. So simply click on live caption, sound vibration. We'll simply click on live caption, automatically caption speech. Here you guys can see live caption. So simply click on mute live caption. Also, you guys can see languages. So in languages, you guys can select the languages that you want to add, so that will be translated to live captioning. So after that, you guys simply back, and you guys can play any video, and it will show live captions. Thanks for watching.